And look, we're seeing bouncing coming back in the market. I don't know, dude. It's kind of looking like almost like trappy though. Cause look, what I mean is like, yeah, we crack to the downside. Then you see this bullishness come in, and we get up there, and then we crack back down. Then you see this bullishness come in. You feel me? So it kind of seems trappy, but if we can get, and especially the S&P 500 index, look where it's bouncing off that line. It's bouncing off that level again, the 40-27-58. Now, we've done this before, but when we bounced up with some momentum and some volume, we rejected hard, and everything did. So let's see what happens this time. I want to get traders tax status too. Like we're seeing some bouncing coming in the market. All right, we're seeing some decent volume come in right now. Look at SOXS. I'm at SOXO. Look at the SPX. Look, basing and putting in higher low, higher low, higher low, stepping up. Decent volume coming in. Yo, the Nvidia has so many wicks on it, bro. Look at this thing. Like, I guess the masses found out about it, and like you got mad people just trading this thing. That's why it's like it has so many wicks. So look, you can kind of see the double bottom on Amazon a little clearer on the 5-minute right here. Look, 1, 2. This is a long 2, but it is a double bottom. Look, 1, 2. And look, we're seeing the Qs and the SPY step up here, and like look, the SPX, look, higher low, higher low, higher low. But look, every time I do that, I it's like I miss my upper. Oh, Nvidia cracking to the downside. I don't know what happened to Nvidia just now. Oh my god, dude, look at this. Like it makes me want to go ahead and get out of my shit while I can for a green. Bro, look at this. Look at Nvidia. Look at this thing, dude. So my SOXO, oh boy, like that shit's hurting that decent right now. Let me see. I mean, not really. Only because my expiration is a little farther out. And Nvidia did come down and hit Tesla lows, and it's bouncing. The 166.65 was like that. I don't know if you want to call that a double bottom or a quadruple bottom if you're counting the wicks, but this is what I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4. So down here is like, would have been the best risk to reward to go ahead and buy the dip for a quick scalp. Freaking weird volume, bro. Like, I don't get it. I see this like on the Qs right here. Oh, this basing. All right, now we got some volume. I just seen the Qs rip. I seen the Qs rip up past VWAP just now. Little violent little jerk there. And look at the Qs. The Qs are now above VWAP. Look at SOXO. All right, that's good. That's good for my SOXO play. But I want that thing all the way up there. But see, okay, because the stream's delayed. Yeah, you know what? Because you're seeing the Nasdaq crossover VWAP and the SPY as well. That's why. And then the SBX, nice consolidation down at the bottom of the range, that 40-27-58, bouncing, then putting in consecutive higher lows. Look, 1, 2, look, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, stepping up, trying to go up and test VWAP. And look at the Qs, like breaking above VWAP with some strength. The SPY breaking above VWAP with some strength. And look, Meta is put in a higher low relative to the previous candle while simultaneously bouncing off the 120, the 9 VWAP, and the short term, breaking above all that and going red to green. So, I mean, there's definitely some bullishness coming into the market right now, as you can see from the S&P 500. All right. And then look at SOXO. SOXO's running up about the freaking look. SOXO had a nice little basing down here, bro. See all these wicks down here? Nice little base down there. And then just, caught a bid with the rest of the market. And then higher low, crossing over the 9. Short term, VWAP going up towards the 120. So looking pretty bullish right now. And I expect to see my Trizzies in the money right now if I go look at them. Yes, Trizzies in the mizzy. Well, this bullishness, I don't know if it's short-lived or not. But, if we can get up, if Amazon gets up to VWAP, I'm going to go ahead and take profits. And I'm just watching the price action. Look at these higher lows. Higher low. Stepping up, crossing over VWAP. And look, my Amazon calls are in the money. But, if we're going to keep seeing bullishness like this, I'm going to let him ride just a little bit longer. Oh, you seen that? Seen that nasty little freaking jerk right there? That violent rejection off of VWAP? Kind of scary there. Kind of scary. Making me want to go ahead and just take profits and get out the way. I don't like that. I don't like that little nasty little jerk right there, dog. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Look at that, see? Rejecting off of VWAP. You see the wicks? And you could see it across the market, look. The S&P 500, look. At VWAP rejecting. But look, wedged between the 9 and VWAP. I've seen a lot of price action like that. And it could go either way. And get in there and clean that shit. Get that exercise, bro. A 2 for 1. Saving money and exercising. That's all you gotta think about shit. Put a positive spin on it, bro. Make it positive. Speak shit into existence. Right? Alright. You know what? Tight. I can spit off the top of the head, alright? I'd rather it be green than red. Right? See? I told you, that nasty little jerk right there, bro. But I'm also watching the SPY. I'm at the S&P 500. It's stepping up, putting in higher lows. So I don't know. It's mixed feelings right now. Look at NVIDIA. Look, though, impossible to trade that thing today, bro. At least looking at the 5 minute. I'm pretty sure if you look at it on a lower time frame, there were some scalps in there. But yeah, to the downside. SOXL trying to get above this 120, breaking above the 120. Look right here. Don't forget I got those calls. I already know what time it is. Look, the longer I stay in a trade, usually the worse off it becomes for me for some reason.